Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation. Today my topic is Gerunds and Infinitives. This is our second week of the course. Now our contents are: firstly we will learn gerunds and infinitives, secondly we will learn request and permission. Now let's look at gerunds and infinitives. Gerunds and infinitives are mean that when we want to use two verbs at the same time, we are using this infinitives and gerunds. And infinitive means that we are using the verb with to plus do, and the gerund form we are using ing. So let's look at more details. After verbs agree, we are using to do, and that's do is of course can change, and we are using this to do version after verb plus object combinations: cause to do, encourage to, invite to, recommend to, tempt to. And we are know that tempt to is generally very using form. And after adjectives, we are again using to do: feeling anxious, eager, delighted. I'm sorry to be a nuisance. And some probability. Is it necessary to go there? And the doing form. After verbs avoid, dislike, involve, mention, postpone. I enjoy shopping. And after preposition, again, we are using ing. Is he still interested in dancing? As subjects and complements, gambling is a waste of time. And there is some others too, with verbs stop, remember, forget, regret, go on. Future action: remember to pick up your dry cleaning. Previous action: I remember visiting my great-grandmother. And with verbs like love and hate, I hate to. And regular likes and dislikes, we are using ing form. I like dancing. And these are some other verbs with using verb plus infinitive and verb plus gerund. And there is others. These are can both of both of them we can use. Infinitive: effort to, avoid, blah blah, ing, like this. Now let's look at request and permission. While making requests, we are using would you, will you, could you, can you. Plus, there is a main verb, and it's have to be simple form with no change, like C, S, AD, or ing, plus object. And when we are politely asking for permission, we are using generally may I, could I, and can I. And again, there is no change. It's verb needs to be simple form plus object. And there is one special note. If we are saying would you mind, it's mean that does it bother or annoy you. So if we answer it with yes, it's meaning that no, it doesn't bother me. But if we are saying no, it's meaning yes, it bothers me. And lastly, let's do an exercise so that our topic can be more understandable. So welcome to Jenny's Diner. What can I get you? So there is two section for us. First, could I? Secondly, would you mind? And the server is saying, no problem, I will be back in a moment. So if you are using would you mind, we generally using it with if. Would you mind if blah blah blah? So our right answer is of course could I. The other is blah blah. Tell me how much this TV cost. It's blah blah with a two-year word. And we are saying we cannot say can I because we are uh, saying it's another person. So we have to say, would you tell me? Now the other exercise, blah blah 10 of the best way to get to Wonder World theme park. Of course, we actually have shuttle, blah blah. So we cannot say may I because again we are question we have a question for a person, so we have to say you. So we are saying could you. And the other and last example, teacher blah blah checked my dictionary. Yes, I prefer you didn't ask one of your classmates. So there is a question and we need to use our ourselves. So we have to say, would you mind if I checked my dictionary? And the teacher is saying, yes, I prefer you did it. That was the end. Thank you for listening to me.